Hello, you're welcome to Lango News Channel, Lango's most authentic online platform. I am BF OTIM OGWAL. I'm joined by
PATRICIA, AMNE.
Now, today, the High Court in Lira City has delivered its judgment, an application in which the Wonnyaci elect, or the Paramount Chief elect of Lango, Engineer Dr. Moses Michael Ogwang, and two other clan leaders, including Willie Omodo, who is also the Speaker for Lango Cultural Institution, and George Ogwang Porter, were seeking to block the election, coronation, and taking over office by Dixon Ogwang Okul, who is Wutong of Palachot. Now the case has been meticulously heard by the land trial judge, Phillips Otoki of Okulu High Court. Patricia ACENG has the details.
In today's issuing of a temporary injunction restraining the Ambassador Dixon Ogwang Okul from taking over office of Wonnyaci, the Paramount Chief, being gazetted by the Ministry of Gender, Labour and Social Development and carrying out any activity that portray him as Wonnyaci, elect of Lango Cultural Institution. This is according to the ruling that was delivered by the presiding judge, Justice Phillips Odoki, Monday afternoon via email. This follows an application by Engineer Dr. Michael Moses Odonkune, Willie Omodo, and George Ogwang Porter.
In the judgment delivered by email by Justice Philip Odoki this afternoon, I quote, "In the end, I find this application has merit. It is accordingly granted. The respondents and their agents are hereby restrained from participating in any activity leading to handover of office the Paramount Chief of Lango to third respondent, informing Minister responsible for culture that the third applicant is the newly elected Paramount Chief for the purpose of causing his name to be published in the Gazette, carrying out any other acts to portray the third respondent as the Paramount Chief of Lango pending the final determination of the civil suit number 10 of 2024. The cost of this application shall bide the outcome of civil suit number 10 of 2024, reads part of the ruling by Justice Philip Odoki, who delivered that judgment today by email. So what that means is that, for now, that election, which was held on the 11th of October 2024 by the Electoral Commission led by retired Colonel Dan Opito Otwe, is that the Wonnyaci elect of Lango Cultural Foundation will not be able to take over office from Wonnyaci, the reigning Wonnyaci Yosam Uturibi. He will also not be able to be published in the Gazette because the Ministry of Gender, Labour and Social Development for now have also been blocked from publishing his name in the Gazette. And also, Dixon Ogwang Okul will not be able to move anywhere in Lango or even abroad to introduce himself as the Wonnyaci elect or even as the Wonnyaci of Lango Cultural Foundation. So, but the main ruling is going to come up on the 31st of October 2024, and we expect Justice Philip Odoki to deliver the judgment in an application which was filed by two other Witong, including Denish Obia Ajila and Benjamin Oki. For Lango News Channel, I am BF OTIM OGWAL, and
thank you so much. That was today's ruling, being a Monday. Keep on for more updates on Lango News Channel. My name is Patricia Cheng.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.